Alright, so what we have here is a Nissan Altima. It's got an engine issues. You got check engine light on. All the lights is on because the engine is not running. It's just I just turned on the ignition. So here's the scan tool. Obviously, it's got the engine faulted. So let's take a look. Let's read the code. Okay, so here's our issues. And we're going to look what causing these issues. We got P1574 and P0171. So the first one was has issue, I guess, with the speed sensor, and this one is bank one lean. So that means we have more air on this one here. So we're gonna have to take a look of what happened here. All right, so I open the hood. Look around first. When it comes to lean issues, that means you have more air in the engine. Make sure you have a leakage into your intake, especially here by, see the sensor, past this sensor you must not have leak. If you do, then you're gonna have that lean, because that means there's more air coming in and this sensor is not reading it. So you know what I see is right here. See that there's an opening here. It's a crack, a rubber crack, right? So the air is coming in here and this sensor is not detecting it. This is why we have lean issues. So we're going to fix that, replace it, and we'll see.